Hey friends, if Windows Spotlight is not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the solutions. Now this is the general Windows theme and the general Windows wallpaper. I'll show you what Spotlight is. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Now go to the personalization tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select background and change it from picture to Spotlight, and you'll notice that the picture changes, and this will keep changing every day. But interestingly, these wallpapers do not have a local storage. They are picked from the internet, which means that the internet connection should also be good enough. So go to fast.com and check the internet speed. Is it good enough? If yes, then we can proceed further. The next solution is to disable metered connection, and I'll show you how it's done these days. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to network and internet on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, click on data usage and click on remove limit and click on remove. So once the limit is removed, you will be able to change the needful. The last solution is to sync the date and time. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the time in language tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select date and time. Make sure that the time zone is correct, and then make sure that set time automatically is checked. Click on sync now. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.